Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add another audio language to Apple TV on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Apple TV. In here, we go down and tap on Languages in the Download options, and then tap on Add Language. Now go down the list here and select a language that you want to use. And that's it. We have now added another language to Apple TV. If you want to delete a language, just swipe across and tap on the Delete button. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.